Okay, good morning everybody. Midweek here, Wednesday, September 28th. Mike Niemiec here with some opening comments for the grains and the oilseeds. We're a little bit fractionally lower in the wheat in the overnight trade. We're down roughly around a penny in the corn, down around 5 cents in soybeans. Soy meal up around $1, but the soybean oil down around 50 points. The Malaysian palm oil market took a big hit last night, so I think that's kind of reverberated into our marketplace. Those folks being down on the heels of the fact that they were looking at weak exports. So going forward in here, we got a USDA report that's going to come out on Friday. And I think we're just out here biding time. We're out there still, how do you want to say it? Still a little bit above $4 wheat and $3 corn. But we're still kind of, in my mind, a little bit above price level for what's going on with the soybeans, soybean meal, and maybe perhaps the soybean oil, which was down in the overnight trade. Why do I say that? I thought that it was very interesting to go and see that the average trade guess for the soybean stocks number that's going to come out on Friday is around 200 million bushels. I've heard a lot of people talking around 185, 190s, and now we're out there with an average trade guess of 200 million bushels. We're going to have 200 million bushels of beans, and or we're going to go and find out that we're going to go harvest a crop, and then we still have crop progress that is still kind of quite conducive, still looking at a good yield. We're going to come out with a November number coming on up as far as supply and demand tables go. Still a good strong yield. Now we're looking at South America also having a good crop that they want to go and plant. Do we really justify having bean prices being at $9.50 to $10 as opposed to go and look at, once again, yesterday was the cutoff day for the commitment trades report, and I still have them long in the neighborhood of around, in the neighborhood of 790 million bushels of beans, not long 21,000 meal, and long in the neighborhood of around 75,000 lots of soybean oil, as opposed to already being short the corn and the wheat. And a sizable number, still upholding the $4 level in the wheat and the $3 level in the corn. But not having said that, we still have enough supplies going around for the wheat and the corn as well to not to go and try to have a sustained rally going on the upside. So having said all that, we're in the middle of the week, down a little bit in the overnight trade, down 5 cents in the beans, up in the meal. But are those justified going forward in here if we're going to go look at and see that we're going to have enough crop size going forward in here at the end of the week to go and say that, hey, those folks that are still long the beans, meal, and the soybean oil could be still susceptible. Once again, these are my opinions, not that of ADM or ADMIS. Thank you.